Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. In today's video, we'll be going through everything you need to know about data detection on the iPad. Your iPad can recognize different types of data in different apps like Apple Notes, Messages, Mail, Pages, etc. It can recognize dates, email addresses, flight numbers, web links, amounts of money, numbers, physical addresses, and shipment tracking numbers. This feature will recognize both typed information as well as handwritten one. We're going to focus on the most common types of data you're likely to encounter every day. And for this video, we're going to be using Apple Notes for all our demonstrations. Whenever data detection recognizes any information in your notes, it underlines it to indicate that you can interact with that information. The feature can pick up future dates in your notes. Tap on it to bring up a pop-up menu with options to create event or create reminder. When you create event, you can add an event to your Apple Calendar without needing to go to the Calendar app. The feature gives you all the details you would get in Apple Calendar for creating a new event. To remain focused on data detection, we're going to cover creating events when we do the free course for Apple Calendar, so we're not going to cover it in this video. Once you're done filling out all the information you need, tap Add to save your new event to Apple Calendar. To view the event in Apple Calendar, bring up the pop-up menu and go to Show in Calendar. This automatically takes you to Apple Calendar to see the event you just created in Apple Notes. If you choose to create reminder, you can add all the information needed for tasks in Apple Reminders. We have covered all the details in the Apple Reminders course that is still ongoing. We haven't finished it yet, but we're working on it. Tap Add to save your to-do. The only way to see this event is to open the Reminders app and go to the list you added your to-do. So it's not linked and not as automated as you get with Apple Calendar. Copy event doesn't copy the event or its details. It really just copies the date that you can then paste anywhere you want. Numbers are recognized as phone numbers, so all the interactions that pop up relate to the number as a phone number. You can do simple actions like call the number using your iPhone, send message via messages. You can choose to FaceTime or FaceTime audio. When you tap Add to Contacts, you also get options to mail or pay via Apple Pay. So we notice that these two features are not available for all iPads. Some iPads might not have that. Scrolling down the pop-up menu shows the option to create new contact, where you can add as much detail as you like. So you can add a photo, name, email, etc. You can do all of this without having to open the Contacts app. Tap Done to save your new contact. If you have other details on the page, data detection automatically fills out your new contact's details with all the details it can pick up on the page. So that means it will add email and physical addresses it picks up on the page to that contact as well. The other option you get for your numbers is to add to existing contact. You then have to choose the contact you want to add the details to and update to save the changes. When you tap an email, your iPad automatically takes you to the Mail app where you can start composing one. Your email app must be set up for this to work. Long pressing an email address gives you options to create a new email, which will send you back to the Mail app. You can send messages via messages. You can also FaceTime or FaceTime audio. You also have an option to simply copy the email address to paste it anywhere you want. Like with your emails, tapping a web link automatically takes you to the default web browser for your device. When you long press, a pop-up menu appears with options to open link, copy link, or share it out of the app. Web links are quite simple with not a lot of options. Tapping on an address takes you to the Maps app where you can find the location. From there, you can do several things in the Maps app. However, we will focus on that when we cover maps in a separate video. Long pressing the address brings up a pop-up menu where you can get directions. The app will ask you for your starting point, and you can choose the direction you want to use from the options available. Add to contacts gives you similar options to those you get for your numbers. You can also copy address to paste it anywhere or share it out of the app. You can combine data detection with live text to interact with information in images and videos. When you have a photo that contains numbers or addresses, for example, when you activate live text, you also activate data detection. This could differ with other apps, but in Apple Notes, the information picked up by data detection appears at the bottom of your screen. And when you long press this information, you can start interacting with it. And that pretty much covers the most basic data detection for the iPad in iPadOS 17. We hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you, Fantastic Human, for watching. See you in the next episode.